This is how it should be done. You have to say this is from one of the smaller teams racing, Team Solitaire, and it's a full, or not a full, but at least a rider injury report put out before the races. Here it is, and it's it's how it should be done. And even this says for fantasy players, but with the addition of betting this year, teams and riders and everybody is going to have to be better coming out and saying, "Hey, I'm hurt. Hey, this is going on. Hey, this is what's happening in the background. Either bet on me if you still wish, but I'm letting you know my thumb hurts or my ribs, whatever." Teams and these riders are going to have to be better about saying what's going on if they're injured or not. And you got to give it to these guys for, I mean, Derek Kelley putting out his own video on Instagram, which you're watching right now, and you can read if you wish. And also the team doing it also saying, here's what's going on. Here's an injury report, just like every other major sport does. I don't understand why it's such a little taboo thing here. It's like, football. Hey, my knees hurt. People still hit you in the knees. Not like this, racing, dirt bike racing, people are aiming to hit you. So I'm glad that they do it. It's cool to see somebody actually doing it correctly, or as I think it should be done correctly. But that's why I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's going to win San Diego? If you like A1, who's going to win the title, 450, 250, whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.